Nah, I think I might have forgot to renumber. But okay, are we back? We're back. Okay, where are we at? Namespace has no. Okay, so something interesting here. Fantastic. Okay, so. Okay. Await system context. Extra config args. Command. Namespace object has no attribute command. Okay, so. Okay. Rs command. Print. Args. Command. I see it. It's right there. CMD. Did I spell wrong? What? Oh. Namespace object has no attribute command. Call got unexpected keyword argument command. Okay. Extra config equals extra config. Call got unexpected keyword argument extra config. Dot deployment. diffml dot CLI. Deployment. I'm not sure. I think I spelled something wrong. diffml df system context system context. It's really hard to program when you can't spell. So copy paste is your friend. Let's see. So deployment async iter function, origin, data flow async iter function. Okay, so that requires data flow. So then we say self dot upstream. Oh, and origin equals seed for now. Okay, so that would be okay. 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 So why am I passing all these things explicitly? Because I believe that arguments are, aha, what are you on about? Um, Arguments can be dangerous because they don't have keywords attached. Things can, I don't know. It's just, I like keywords. It's more explicit. 298. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's look at system context here. Where's the callable? Did we forget to return func? We did forget to return func. Async generator can't be used to await expression. Oh, that's right. We just made it an async gen by default because that's the simplest case. Run CLI command. Return results. So any outputs that are not consumed by the other inputs will be used here. Okay. So it used to return it, so let's return it still. So this results better be the same. Okay, async generator can't be used in itertools. Oh, that's right, we haven't tested this code yet. System context object has no attribute upstream. Okay, self.upstream. System context config object has no attribute by origin. 187. Okay. Print breakpoint or print. Self config upstream, system context config. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. You can't have none. You can't have no upstream. You have to have at least an upstream. How the hell did this happen? Oh, so it converted it. Oh shit. Oh, we accidentally wrote some auto conversion code. Sweet. Um, I think it was when we were fucking around with okay, so with the in base. So subconfig upstream, subconfig upstream, upstream, upstream. By origin, values, by origin values, by origin is the keys. Df types. Okay, so by origin is by stage. So within each stage, so we want to do itertools. So values is a bunch of dictionaries. So we want to merge. We want to merge. We want to do stream merge. We want to do like a collection merge. I want to stack them all up in the stream. So, um, hmm, merge. Ah, shit. Okay, so. Just, okay, so basically, upstream dot upstream. Upstream dot upstream sounds funky. Why is it converting it? Let's make it a union. Okay. Hmm. 9 o'clock. 3 hours till June. 3 hours till June. All right, 3 hours and 3 hours and 3 minutes till June. Okay, in Pacific time. Okay, so some maybe I need a walk. I feel like we're so close. Base, do not set default if default factory set base subclass. Okay, let's go through, just do it. Okay, not everything has to be a generator. Okay. Okay. So we only care about one origin, so we're just gonna go through upstream by origin values or for origins within for stage origins. Origins items. If deployment environment equals. Oh, we already did that check. So if origin origins. Oh, is this a nested? Oh, this is a nested iter_tools chain. Okay, this looks better. Iter_tools chain that. All right, so chain this. Iter_tools chain this this, this, star that, splat that, splat that. Base orchestrator is not defined. Data flow object has no attribute upstream. Wonderful, so it didn't do the conversion. So we fixed that by using the correct type. So okay, so this is why data flow. Okay, so wait a minute. Why? Deployment. This is what happened. Async getter function takes self. Okay, and then we pass the data flow. And then this here operates on the data flow. This operates on the data flow. Upstream. Input definitions list is not defined. 97. The definition list is not defined again. Duplicate input short names. Oh, wait a minute. From pprint, import pprint. Okay, so what do we got? Extra config, extra config. Command, extra config. Inputs extra config. All right, so I have a suspicion the auto definition code here is wacky. Okay, so because that looks like pet definitions list equals list, editor tools chain, operation inputs items. So grab all the inputs by the seed origin. And extra config. Now I have to know what's in by origin because what is going on here? Okay, why is it in there 3 times? Seed run command. Processing. By origin. Dot append operation. Okay, so I'm noticing something that seems rather fishy here right off the bat. We're appending operations. We should probably be doing operation dot instance name equals operation, because we'll probably end up with the same thing in here multiple times. Ticked stir operation. Okay. All right, so we can then go back through all these and turn them into lists. So we can set default. We will just do this for now. And then we'll go back through and we will okay, so at the end of this function, or at the end of for output source and output sources, else. So I'm just going to go through here. There's stage and self by origin, stage for origin and origins. Origins, origin, equals list origin. Right, so convert them all back to lists. To do note. Okay, so about items. We converted to and from dict here so that operations in lists would be unique based on instance name. List indices must be integers or slices, not stir. Let's see. List indices by origin. Line 13. Oh. So set default. Oh yeah, so let's go through here and basically set default update by origin. So this goes through and what does it do? I think it should wipe it out actually. Set default. Oh yeah, no, it does wipe it out. Is this at the wrong level? Yeah, it is. Stir object has no attributes. Inputs. Origin in origins list. Okay, duplicate short name. Stage processing. Seed. Okay. Two oh three. Extra config. Okay, extra config is being defined two places now instead of one. So let's just say, okay. Overlay option. Okay. Live data flow by origin. Deduplicate. Based on instance, operation instance name. Okay. All right, so here we fix up some imports. We fix the argument names. So this is some general stuff. We would probably squash this into the initial implementation later. Df system context, fix imports, add missing imports, and fix uh, by data flow reference and by origin iteration. Oh, we had this little fix here. Service. This is a reformat. Dev format with block. Service dev setup py version fix parse version helper instantiation. Okay, that's still scratch work that we don't care about. High level data flow, we should probably modify this stuff. Okay, apply installed overlays. Okay. So the default overlays. Okay. Overlay, add default overlay to collect and apply other overlays. Okay.